Welcome once again, students. Now I am going to explain the question number 6 of exercise 7.1. Here the diagram which is given in the question, I have drawn it, and here it is the question in the given figure, that is the diagram, and it is given that AC equal to AE. AC, here it is AC and AE. That symbol it is indicating that AC and AE are equal, and AB and AD are also equal. It means AB and AD. AB equal to AD. These things are equal. One more angle equal given, angle BAD. Angle BAD equal to angle EAC. Here angle BAD and angle EAC, these two angles are equal. Now you need to prove that BC equal to DE. You need to prove that BC and DE are equal. So first I am going to start the solution. So first we will start from given. So in the given, whatever the things given in the question you will write. It is given that AC equal to AE. Next it is given AB equal to AD and angle BAD equal to angle EAC. So these three values are given equal in the question, and what you need to prove? You need to prove that BC equal to DE. So in terms it is not given that directly you need to prove the congruency, but if you are going to prove BC equal to DE, BC equal to DE, so you need to search the triangle. In one triangle you need to get BC, and in second triangle you need to get DE. And if you are able to prove both the triangles are congruent, then BC equal to DE by CPCT. So here for the BC, you need to take triangle ABC. Here I am going to draw the triangle separately so that it will be easier to understand. ABC. Here I have drawn ABC. Here I am going to get BC. And for the DE. For the DE you need to take triangle ADE. So here I am going to take the triangle ADE. It is something like that. Here it is. It is ADE. Now if you are able to prove that both the triangles are congruent, if both will be congruent, then their corresponding sides will be equal, then BC will be equal to DE. Now look here what the things are given equal in both the triangles. So students, I have drawn these two triangles separately. Reason is that is a very complicated diagram. Here you will get the confusion, many triangles are going to be formed. So it's better to draw both the triangles separately. Now here it is given AC equal to AE. AC and AE. You can get that whatever the values are given, AC and AE equal. AC is in the first triangle, AE is in the second triangle. AB equal to AD. AB equal to AD. It means in both the triangle two sides are equal. In both the triangle two sides are equal. Now it is given angle BAD. Angle BAD. You are not going to get the angle BAD in this triangle. So if anyhow you are able to prove that if these two sides are equal to the corresponding sides of the other triangle, and if you are able to prove that these two angles are also equal, then by SKS criteria both the triangles will be congruent. So here your aim is to first show that these two angles are equal. Now in the question it is given that angle BAD and angle EAC are equal. Angle BAD and angle EAC are equal, but these are not the angle in both the triangles. So if I am going to add this angle in both, here it is given that, here I am going to add the proof. Angle BAD equal to angle EAC. It is given. From where we are written this statement, it is given in the question. If two things are equal, and if you are going to add equal amount in both the things, then again both will be equal. So here you will write add angle DAC. Add angle DAC in both sides. Then here you will get angle BAD plus angle DAC. Angle BAD plus angle DAC equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. So if these two are equal, so I had added the equal things in both, so again both will be equal. Now look in the diagram, angle BAD plus angle DAC. Angle BAD plus angle DAC. This angle plus this angle, that is equal to angle BAC. If these two angles are added, then you will get angle BAC. So here you will get angle BAC equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC plus angle DAC. This angle plus this angle, it is equal to angle EAD. That will be equal to angle DAEAD. So here it is equal to angle DAE. So now look in your triangle. Here you got that angle BAC, this angle equal to angle DAE, Now you are able to prove that these two angles are equal. So if two sides included angle are equal, then both the triangles are congruent. So here you will write in triangle BAC and triangle DAE. In triangle BAC and triangle DAE, what the things are equal? It is given that AB equal to AD. It is given AB equal to AD. Here you can find AB and AD are corresponding side. TE. So it is given in the question AB equal to AD. Next, it is given that AC equal to AE. So here AC and AE are corresponding sides. So AC equal to AE. It is also given. AC equal to AE, that is given. And one angle, we have to prove that angle BAC. Angle BAC equal to angle DAE equal to angle DAE. And it is proved. From where we are going to write? Here we have to prove that angle BAC equal to angle DAE. It shows that triangle BAC congruent to triangle DAE. It means that both the triangles are congruent. Triangle BAC and triangle DAE are congruent. And friends, if both the triangles are congruent, and here we need to prove that BC equal to DE. So BC and DE, if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will be equal. So BC corresponding parts is DE. BC side is equal to DE. BC equal to DE. Both are congruent. So here you can write that BC equal to DE, that is by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So that is the complete solution of the question number 6. So you need to write this solution. Friends, here I have written the question number 7. In the question number 7, here it is the diagram for the question number 7, and it is given that AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. AB is the line segment. Here you can find in the diagram also AB is the line segment, and it is given that P is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB means AP equal to BP. If a point is there which is the midpoint of any line segment, so that is going to divide the line segment into two equal parts. It means AP equal to PB. Result is that P is the midpoint of AB. Now it is also given that D and E are points on the same side of AB. D and E. Here D and E are the 2 points which are in the same side of AB, such that angle BAD. It is given that angle BAD, this angle, equal to angle ABE, equal to angle ABE. It is equal to this angle, and it is given that angle EPA, this angle, it is equal to angle DPB. Then you need to prove that triangle DAP congruent to triangle EBP and AD equal to DE. So these two parts you need to prove. So here you will start the solution, and solution will be start from given. What the things are given in the question? It is given that P is midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of AB. If P is midpoint of AB, what is the means of this? Then AP equal to BP. Then AP equal to BP. It is not given directly AP equal to BP, but it is given that P is the midpoint of AB. So that's why AP equal to BP. Next, it is given that angle BAD equal to angle ABE. It is given, and angle EPA equal to angle DPB. So these two angles are given equal. It is given in the question. Now what you are going to prove? Here you are going to prove first part, triangle DAP congruent to triangle EBP, triangle EBP, and second part you need to prove AD equal to BE. AD equal to BE. So these two things you need to prove. Now the proof. If you are going to prove two triangles congruent, then you need to show three values equal that are going to follow the congruency criteria. So triangle DAP, triangle DAP. If you are having the confusion, then draw both the triangles separately, so it will be easier to understand. So here I am going to draw both the triangles separately. DAP. So here I am going to draw the triangle. It is like this. Here it is DAP. It is not necessary to draw the separately, but to explain that I am going to draw it separately. And triangle EBP. Triangle EBP. So here it is a triangle EBP. It is something like that. So it is the triangle EBP. Now in both the triangle you need to show two things are equal. Now you can see here you are able to get that AP and BP that are equal in both the triangle. Reason is that P is the midpoint of AP, that's why AP equal to BP. So here you can write. Next, you need to search the other two things also. One side you got equal. Here it is given that this angle, angle A equal to here this angle, angle B. It means one angle, one side and one angle you got equal. So here you need to search one more side, you have one more angle. Now here it is given that angle EPA, this angle equal to this angle, but in the diagram it is E. Whatever the triangle is there in both the triangle, you are not able to get the angle EPA and angle DPB. EPA and DPB not there. So first you need to show that angle this angle and this angle are equal, that you need to show. So here, if these two are equal, and if I am going to add this angle in both, then again both will be equal. So here I am going to write angle EPA equal to angle DPB. That is given. It is given that angle EPA equal to angle DPB. That is given. Now write add angle EPD. Add angle EPD in both sides. Then here you will get angle EPA plus angle EPD equal to angle DPB plus angle EPD. So these two are equal, and I am going to add equal angle in both. So again both will be equal. Now look in the diagram. Angle EPA, this angle, plus angle EPD, plus angle EPD. This angle plus this angle equal to this angle. So it will be equal to angle APD. So it shows that it is equal to angle APD equal to. Now in the same way, angle DPB, this angle, plus angle EPD, this angle. So it is equal to this. So it is equal to angle BPE. So it is equal to angle BPE. So angle APD and angle BPE are equal, that is proved here. Now look in your both the triangle. Angle APD, here this angle, equal to angle BPE, equal to angle BPE, this angle. So here you got that two angle and included side, two angles and included side are equal. So both the triangles will be congruent. So here you got the three values that are equal. So now you will write in triangle DAP and angle EBP. EBP. In triangle DAP and triangle EBP, what the things are equal? It is given that angle BAD, angle BAD equal to angle BAD equal to angle ABE equal to angle ABE. So students, angle BAD is same as angle PAD. If I am going to give the angle name BAD, that is same as angle PAD. So here I am going to write angle PAD equal to, and this angle equal to this, and it can be given the name like PBE. So it can be written as angle PAD equal to angle PBE. So this, it is given in the question. That is given in the question. Now one more thing is given, that is AP equal to BP. AP equal to BP. That is also given. AP equal to BP. It is also given in the question. And now here you have to prove that angle APD. Angle APD equal to angle BPE. BPE. It is proved. So here two angles included side are equal. It shows that triangle DAP congruence to triangle EBP. By which criteria? By ASA criteria. So first part is proved. These two triangles are congruent. That is the first part. And in the second part, you need to prove that AD equal to BE. Now look here. AD equal to BE. If these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will be equal. And here AD corresponding part is BE. So if these two are congruent, that is already proved, then AD equal to BE by CP CD. So here you can write for the second, AD equal to, here you will write AD equal to BE, that is by CP CD. CP CD. These are the corresponding parts of the both congruent triangles. So here both the parts are proved. So kindly note down the complete solution of the question number 7.